Hello. In this video, we will learn how to insert a chart in Excel.
Inserting charts in Excel is very easy. First, you need to select the data that you want inside your chart. So I select the revenue values. Then I go to Insert tab. And here under the chart section, if I click on recommended charts, here basically Excel gives us a list of recommended charts that may suit our data. So from here we can select. The first chart type is a column chart. Then we have a bar chart, a line chart, and a pie chart. So those are the four basic types of charts. And we have a funnel chart recommended as well. So let's select a bar chart from here. And you see the preview on this side. And I can say OK. And the bar chart gets inserted like this. And if you want to change the chart type, you can do a right click like this and go to change chart type. And from here, I can select different types of charts again. So all these options are there. Let's say I want to change it to a line chart. I can say OK. And now it's changed to a line chart. I can also select the data like this and go to Insert tab. And under without going to recommended charts, let's say I want to straight away go into one of these chart types. I can select column bar chart. And out of these, I can select whatever options I need. Likewise, I can go into different chart types from here as well and select what I want. And if I click on the down arrow over here, again, this insert chart option comes and we are on recommended charts. If I click on all charts, I again go to this menu where I can select from all of the chart types available. So the key thing here is to select the chart type that best describes your data. And also for this type of data, actually line chart is not the best type. So we can come here and go to bar chart and select maybe this option. And we go back to the bar chart. So that's basically how you can insert a chart and then change the chart type if you want to.
Thanks for watching.